This is Brain Lion Institute, episode 108. Safe Systems Explore More. The Biology of Risk. Risk is often associated with bravery or personality. But biologically, risk-taking depends on stability. When the nervous system feels unsafe, risk becomes expensive. Energy must remain available for protection. Exploration decreases. But when stability increases, the nervous system becomes more flexible. It can evaluate possibilities without immediately activating defense. This allows experimentation, trying something new, changing direction, speaking honestly. From the outside, this may look like confidence, but internally it is regulation. A system that trusts its ability to recover can afford to explore. Safety does not eliminate risk. It makes risk manageable. Next episode: why relationships feel different after survival. Thank you.